In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Shopify products to Google Merchant Center fast. We're going to walk through a simple, streamlined way to get your Shopify products into Google Merchant Center so they can start showing up on Google Shopping. I'll explain what you're doing at each stage, why it matters, and share a few tips so you avoid common issues. First, make sure you're logged in to both your Shopify admin and your Google Merchant Center account in separate browser tabs. This makes it much easier to switch back and forth as we connect everything. In Shopify, head to your main dashboard, then go to your Apps section. If you haven't already, search for and install the official Google channel or Google and YouTube app from the Shopify App Store. This is what creates the bridge between your store and Google Merchant Center. Once the app is installed, open it from within Shopify. You'll be prompted to connect your Google account. Sign in with the same Google account you use for Merchant Center, and then select the Merchant Center account you want to connect. If you see multiple accounts, double-check you're picking the one you actually use for your store, not a test account. Next, you'll be asked to connect your product feed. The app will usually detect your product catalog automatically. Make sure the correct store and domain are selected, especially if you manage more than one website. Confirm your target country and language, because this affects things like currency and how your ads and free listings appear. Now, go back to your products in Shopify. For each product you want to sync to Google, check that it has a clear title, a detailed description, an image, a price, and inventory set. Google uses this information to decide when and where to show your products, so more accurate and complete data usually leads to better performance. Also, make sure the product is set to be available on the Google channel inside Shopify. If it's not, it won't be sent to Merchant Center. Once the connection is set up and your products are enabled for the Google channel, the app will start sending your product data to Google Merchant Center automatically. This can take some time, so don't worry if you don't see everything right away. In Merchant Center, go to your Products section and look for your feed. You'll start to see products appear, along with any warnings or errors. If you get errors, read the messages carefully. They often relate to missing attributes like GTIN, incorrect pricing, or policy issues. Fix those details back in Shopify, and the changes will sync over on the next update. After your products are approved, they'll be eligible to show on Google for free listings and, if you choose to run campaigns in Google Ads, for shopping ads. At this point, your Shopify products are successfully added to Google Merchant Center, and you're ready to start driving more traffic and sales.